No water, no.
No water in waterfall. Yeah? Oh shit. We're too late. Somebody tied the water heater shop. Hello.
I'm the last.
Hello.
Hi. You want some banana cue?
After swimming.
Yeah. Okay.
But I heard it's
Buy all.
no water in waterfall. Is it true?
There is. It's such
Ah,
a
okay. Thank you. Such a majestic waterfall. Yes. Oh shit!
My phone.
Yeah. Huh? And when you go in the angle you don't expect. And this is what we like with Słoneczko. Huh? Day was so boring, but yes, it is majestic. Oh shit. So nice. Crazy beautiful. Yeah. Słoneczko, this may be the most beautiful waterfall which I saw. Yeah. Even here you can feel the water. Okay, I need to take off shirt. I record waterfall and beautiful dog with beautiful eyes. Oh, you got lines. Careful, black stone. So slippery. Oh shit! Oh, so nice. Cold. You do push-ups and you do what? I got this. Oh, wet already. Wet. Słoneczko. There is rush squad. You can wear it. So this is what you do in Philippines mostly. You visit waterfall. Yeah? That's another waterfall. You can feel the power of nature. Motherfucker. This one, super strong. Yeah, słoneczko. So this is what we do mostly in Philippines. We check waterfalls around. I know I'm cold. So do exercise. Do some push-ups like you do. Cold? Yes, ma'am. It's cold. Feel the nature. Look, we got better stuff here. Słoneczko, jump. Yes. Look at the sky. So this is what we do in Philippines. We conquered waterfalls. Look how much fun people got. I want to jump, but it's too dangerous because I checked there's some stones. I don't know. When I see other guys jumping, then I do it as well. Oh, I'm gonna show. This is what I do in my life. Majestic waterfall. Oh my father. My mother as well. Sagada. full with black stones. They are slippery because covered with plants. Okay, so name of waterfall, Bomod-ok Waterfall. Słoneczko. What's that flower? Słonecznik. This is not słonecznik, Floriza.
Pagbilhan
This is-
po.
Saba, yeah? Without sugar? Without. And this is
Kamote.
kamote.
Pagbilan.
Nobody's here. We can eat them
Madu.
and run away. I think there's something smell nice. Mom, give me your hand. I got not straight fingers. Let me make them straight. Salamat po. Church. Church and basketball court, yeah? And that's a symbol of Philippines. Not for us, because for us it's waterfall. Should be in the flag of Philippines. How many waterfalls got Philippines? Millions. Everywhere where we go is some waterfall. Waterfall. Some caves, but waterfalls. So many. Then we don't have here too much mountains, but every island got a kind of mountain and waterfalls, because most of these islands are created by volcanoes. Yeah, man. Oh, you're gonna be punished by oh, by dog. Yeah, record this dog. Thank you, Yaman. Dirt from the side of the road. We already had slight accident, small one, and trainer as well. Mai Tai in Pangla.
No,
People
you can't.
transport materials like this here, or they used to do it because it looks like old one. Yeah, no, it's too old, too scary. Are we gonna try?
No.
Joking. But in Buskalan Kalinga they put me like this, you know.
But I think it's not like this landfill.
Was better condition.
Yeah.
This one is Very bad. Look, it's very old school. When they was need materials, even this materials looks old. It's wheat flour. Noodle flour for pancit. Okay, we're going. My proposition is eat and look at sunset tonight. Okay, Słoneczko ate a burger today, 4 cheese, and me burger and pizza in this place after waterfall. And she's my queen. She carry my backpack and I carry lemon pie. Lemon pie. It's another flavor of this place. Famous, infamous, like Młodzi, like yogurt, and what else? What's the name of this soup?
Tiniktikan.
Tiniktikan, which is similar to tinola. Yeah? Tinola, it's sour soup.
No. It's chicken.
Chicken.
Sayote.
Sayote, it's like potatoes. No,
No, it's green one.
green. It looks like pear.
I think it's
Sayote.
chayote. Chayote in Spanish or
But
coyote.
tastes like a potato, a cooked potato. But it's green, looks like green pear.
Yeah.
So chicken, coyote, ginger, and something like, I don't know. You need to come and check by yourself.
But
This one looks good. Yeah? Słoneczko, you wanna try?
No.
Tomorrow. What's there? Huh? Okay, it's Sagada lemon pie. Tastes like like nothing because it's what? Egg? Egg white? This one tastes like
sitting on the couch, we're holding hands with each other. And it's like, it feels good, right? I was like, dude, it's amazing. It's like the best feeling I've ever had in my life.
This one tastes
Sexual at all.
little bit like a lemon.
We're cool. It's funny.
Must be very easy to do. And little bit cake downstairs.
We're on 2 tabs of MDMA. And we're both like, listen,
Nothing,
bullshit.
nothing
It's all bullshit.
special.
Like, it's cool. He wasn't trying to fuck me.
Tastes like nothing, yeah?